Hello everyone! Dan Hurd with Dan Hurd Prospecting here. Welcome to my channel. If you watch a lot of my videos, you know that I buy and sell claims. It's a business I have. One of the very common questions I get when people are thinking of buying a claim is, how long does it take to pan an ounce of gold? Well, if you have to ask that question, it's probably an unrealistic goal to be setting for yourself. I've come to my most consistent good spot here on the Fraser, and I'm going to show you today how long it takes to pan 1 ounce of gold. Just wait for it, you'll see. Enjoy. So for today's demonstration, I'm going to be using the Garrett 15-inch Super Sluice gold pan. It is my gold pan of choice. It's the only one I use. I will be classifying everything into a bucket and then panning from there out of the bucket. I will be using the Arbor Fabrications 1/4 inch classifier for classifying. This is an amazing classifier, the world's best classifier. If you want to get your own classifier from Arbor Fabrication, there's a link below my video. Click on that link and they'll give you a discount. It's worth it. I will be working this area right here to start with. I need to move the rocks, then I'll start digging out the material, classifying it into a bucket, and go from there. I should point out I've started a timer, so I know exactly where my starting time is here. And there's my first bucket full. In just a matter of minutes. Let's go pan it out. Okay, here we go. Take it down to about that much, then fill her up again.
I'm going to finish up the last of the bucket here. All of the cons are in the pan, so just finishing it up carefully. One bucket worth of stuff. And see how rich the spot I'm working is. It's all flood gold here, so it just depends on how much the river brought in this last spring flood. Big rocks out of there. Okay, let's have a look. Any gold? Woohoo! Look at that gold. Yay! Oh, not much. Might need to move. Might need to change spots. That's not as much as this place should be producing.
So now that I've done one bucket, I better explain how I'm going to do this. Because anyone in the know is probably yelling at their screen right now saying there's no way he can pan an ounce on camera. And they're totally right. As I said in my introduction, 1 ounce is an unrealistic goal. I've stopped my timer, by the way, so I can talk with you. And no, I couldn't do an ounce in a day here. Not a hope, even though this is a good claim and I really know what I'm doing. So what I'm doing here to show you how long it's going to take to pan an ounce of gold is I am going to pan hard. And I mean, I'm pushing myself hard for an hour straight in good ground. By the way, this hole isn't very good. I'm pushing myself for an hour straight in good ground. I'm then going to take that gold, weigh it out, do a little bit of math, and tell you guys how long on this ground, working that hard, it would take for me to pan an ounce of gold. As I said, anyone in the know out there is going to say it's unrealistic to even think you could get an ounce, even half an ounce, in a day of panning, unless you're on the richest of ground. So today, I'm spending an hour, 1 hour hard panning, and we're going to do some math afterwards to show you how long it would take to fill a 1 ounce vial with gold. Now I have to move holes because this one wasn't very good. Okay, new spot, much better. There is just one pan, has as much as that whole last bucket had.
Okay, here's the next spot. This is just one pan of the next spot, and it's a whole lot better. It has as much as the last bucket combined. Go pan it out and see what we get.
And working on bucket number 3 here. we're still on it. There's 3 big ones in that one. Let's keep going. Okay, just finishing up bucket number 4 here. Bucket number 4 is looking good so far. No, we can get all in one. I don't know if I'm going to have a chance to do bucket number 5. My hour is running out. I've got about 10 minutes left. I might do a little half bucket or something. But this new hole is really good, so I'm happy with it. I would not be able to keep up this speed on a continual basis. I haven't put everything on video because, well, I don't want the video to be an hour long, and I do want to conserve my camera space because I'm doing another video right after this one. Woohoo! I see it already. Okay, let's show you what this stuff looks like. That's nice. Big flake in there. A few big flakes. Okay, there's bucket number 4 from that good hole. But we'll get you better pictures when we put it all together. So bucket number 5 was really quick because, well, I only had 5 minutes left. I only put about a pan and a half worth in it, and it has some nice pieces in it. Sucked it all up already. I'm taking this all home, and I'm going to clean it up, weigh it, and do all the math at home. So, we'll see you at home. This here is 1 ounce of placer gold. This is a 1 ounce vial, right full of placer gold, just barely over 1 ounce of placer gold in this vial. This is what it looks like. Now this gold comes from basically that same spot in the Fraser, right around that same area. This is not the stuff I got that day, but that there is what 1 ounce of placer gold actually looks like in a vial. Now I didn't show you all the cleanup. If you want to see cleaning up gold or how gold is cleaned up, check out this link in the top right corner. I've done a whole series on cleaning up gold. But after it's all cleaned up, there it is. There is the gold from 1 hour's worth of panning on the Fraser. Comes out to, it was 0.57. 0.569 grams. Just over half a gram in 1 hour of panning. And that's hard panning, working as hard as I can on the best ground I can find.
So let's do our math. Now let's look at troy ounces of gold. So a troy ounce of gold is 31.1 grams. If we divide that by the 0.569 grams per hour we were achieving there in panning, it comes out to 54.65 hours. Yes, that's 54 hours of panning, as hard as you could possibly pan on really good ground to get 1 ounce of gold. Now let's see how many days that is. Let's assume we work an 8-hour shift. So divide by 8 hours. There we go, 6.8. Basically 7 days, 1 full week of panning 8 hours a day as hard as you can on good ground will get you 1 ounce of gold. Now, obviously, I'm making a lot of generalizations here. That is this ground, that is my technique, that is how I do things. But that may give you an idea that to get an ounce of gold is not going to be a quick, easy thing if all you have is a gold pan and shovel. But it is possible. Since I don't have a video to end this off with and only audio, I'm going to throw a bunch of pictures of gold in here because everyone loves looking at gold. Thanks everyone for watching. Please make sure you hit that like icon and leave me some sort of comment about what you think here. A very special thanks goes out to all of my patrons out there for supporting me. Without your support, I would not be able to do these YouTube videos. Please become a patron. There's a link right below here. Click on that link, it'll take you off to the patron site where you can pledge. A $10 pledge goes a long ways in helping me make these videos. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, do so. Until the next video, everyone, have a great day. Bye.